called Space Race Zero. Are you bored at home? Do you like races? You like space? Well, I got products for you. Space Race 001. You don't have batteries. You don't need batteries. Non-technological. You can do this with your hand. A crank. We have cranks. Buy our product today.
Take a look at these top-notch parts. They're so great, it's ridiculous! Well, here's the base, and that's where everything gets attached to. The gears inside of it, and the rockets, and the guys on top, and the planet on top. It's fantastic. Of course, how's this thing supposed to move without gears? Well, have you seen those gears? And they get this non-technological toy to work. Need batteries? Well, we don't have any batteries. I'm sorry. But that's not needed. You need cranks? Well, we have cranks. You get to race your friends with these babies. See how fast your fingers can turn to lift those rockets up. The rockets, you ask? Well, look right there. And look, there's another one. I like to call that one Pluto is a planet. And they have to go somewhere, obviously. Take a look at our planets. It's not Pluto. I'm sorry. But it's still as great. And they zoom up using the guide rail, but also the guideline. It's attached to both of those, and it always helps those rockets soar up into space. Smash all those parts together, and bam! You got Space Race 001!
You have $100? That's funny, because you don't need any. It's only $5.99. I repeat, Space Race 001 is only $5.99. You should buy our product today. If we are quite bankrupt, please buy it. Please buy our product. Ah!